Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is Dum Chicken Hyderabadi. The ingredients are as follows. In a bowl, take half cup of hung curd, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons Kashmiri Chilly powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon Garam Masala powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons of lime juice, 1 teaspoon chaat masala. Now give it a good mix. Now marinate the chicken pieces in the masala for 4 hours or overnight. Deep fry till the chicken is 40% done. It should be half cooked. Now place the half cooked chicken in a skillet. Now add the remaining masala to the chicken in the skillet. Close the lid and cook for 15 minutes on low flame. Dum chicken is ready. If you like smoky flavor in your chicken, burn a small piece of charcoal and place it in a bowl. Now place this in the skillet, add a teaspoon of ghee and cover it with a lid for 5 to 10 minutes. This is completely optional. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves and onion rings. Thank you for watching. Do try the recipe and let me know in the comments.
Like, share and subscribe.